Hello, this is GundamUK, and this is kind of like a end of the year roundup for me, the end of 2021, and it's definitely been a very tumultuous year for me. Not very productive Gunpla wise, but you know the story behind that. I've just had a bit of an unhealthy time, and lost my job in September, but I've got a new job now, thankfully. Working for an awesome company, selling Magic the Gathering cards and things. I'll give them a shout out at one point. In terms of making models, I actually finished one model this year, and that was a high grade Origin Zaku 1, which you can see here somewhere. And it was a pretty simple project because it's been so long since I've really got into painting. I decided to do something quite simple, quite straightforward. So this was just straight up right out of the box paint. Just used Mr. Colour lacquers, using the standard Zaku green, mixed up a special blue for it. Give it a good panel line, and give it a matte top coat just to finish it all off. I snap fitted a few kits. I did a Beyond Global RX-78. I did an RE100 Babe Woo, which is just sitting on my shelf of shame behind me. Just here, this is all my unfinished kits, well, it's all my snap fitted kits. The pile is getting quite large. My intended projects for 2022, I've got it in my head that I'm going to do all of the main kind of protagonist suits. Maybe one antagonist suit from the 00 line. So I've got myself a 00 Riser behind me, Master Grade, a Dynamis. I need to get hold of a Curios. I've got finally a Master Grade Virtue on the way. I cannot wait for that to arrive. It's taken like a month to get here. When was it? End of November. What are we now? 19th. Hopefully it'll be here soon. I cannot wait to get my hands on that. And that might be the first one that I do in 2022. It's the Master Grade Virtue, which I've waited years for. Very much looking forward to that one. I just wanted to do a couple of channel shout outs. One is for GunplaJoey over there in the US of A. He's doing some very lovely, very clean work that you should definitely check out. His channel is GunplaJoey on YouTube, capital G, capital J. I'll stick a link in the description below. Do check him out. He's very worth watching, definitely for the whip videos, because I love watching work in progress stuff. People working on things and, you know, seeing how they do things, see how they're different to how I'm doing things, and pick up a few tips along the way. It's always worth watching other people do what they do best. The next channel shout out is a good friend of mine, that is Hasaki Art, who I have known for years, since the forum days. The forum days, that just sounds like centuries ago. Probably only about 10 years ago, probably. Anyway, check out his work over on YouTube. He is, that's Hasaki Art. Well worth checking out. Again, some very fine, very interesting scratch building, and really cool, very sharp mecha modelling and designs. So check him out. Again, I'll put a link to his channel below. Do check him out. And that's it for me for now. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you all in 2022. And if you have a channel that you've just started and you want some shout outs, or you want me to check it out, do contact me through any of my social medias, links below. I'll be happy to take a look. I'm always interested in seeing new people working on whatever it is they're working on. So let me know. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everybody for your support throughout the year. It's been really appreciated as always. And I will see you in 2022. Goodbye.